All right, so I just got done riding, and I see you looking at this pile of, what do you got?
I'm gonna build a snowboard ramp.
I don't think it's the middle of summer, like literally sweating just walking outside.
I'll figure something out.
You just dropped a bunch of snowboards.
Look at all these boards.
You gonna wait for winter, or
Let's see what I come up with over the next couple of days. I'll probably have you out here to ride it.
I don't do snowboards. Lindsay's the board person. What do you think, Hubert?
I think he may have hit his head.
A couple times.
Hey, what's going on? Here starting the snowboard ramp. We're gonna use a 20-foot radius, and I'm gonna start off by putting a 3-inch screw in the concrete. Not really in the concrete, use the seam of the concrete. Now we're gonna measure out 20 feet. Found some 6x6 posts on the property. Always like to recycle and reuse. Let's build a ramp. And I got some old 6x6s here, about 15 years old. I'm recycling them, cut some transitions in them. I'm basically going to be taking materials that you normally don't build ramps out of, and we're going to make some really cool stuff with it.
Russell, what are you working on, man?
Let's just say you're going to be jumping some snowboards in no time.
I don't even snowboard.
Now for the fun part. You can see our whole ramp's made out of recycled material so far, so why stop there? Might as well make the ramp surface out of it. And my friends at Never Summer Snowboards sent me a bunch of boards. Different manufacturer's defect. They only pick the cream of the crop for their stuff, so since they said they're not rideable, I'm gonna make them rideable. Let's do this. Second layer time. There it is. Got a double layered in snowboards. These boards are going to live here at Pastranaland. Unrideable snowboards, making them rideable again. Here's the construction. Look at this. I need somebody to come ride these snowboards with me.
I'm in. I'll see you in a little bit.
All right, man. Come ride these snowboards with me, man. I'll see you in 5. Well, this is what I did. Check it out. I finally convinced somebody to come over here, and now you got to ride it with me. What do you think?
You weren't lying. It's a snowboard ramp. Looks pretty nifty. Looks like you get some sick air off her.
My friend from Never Summer Snowboards, he donated all these boards, all the woods, the old skate park stuff. So this ramp only cost $100 because I had to buy the fasteners. Essentially, you can make a ramp out of anything. Logs, tires, I don't know, you name it. Maybe you can name some stuff that you want to see a ramp built out of, and I'll build it. Let's do it.
Oh yeah. Man, there ain't no snow here, but I guess we still got snowboards. I don't need bindings, and I'm in skate shoes.
See you hit it, bud. All right, I'm loving the snowboard ramp. What do you think, Banks?
Super sick. She's real sturdy.
Well, I got 2 layers of snowboards on here, and honestly, the only thing I think it needs is we need to figure out a surface because it's a little slippery because the dirt has some moisture in it.
Yeah, you should put some top liner in it with some rubber.
We just watched Banks do a flip on a pit bike, and what else you got for me?
I'm gonna try 360. We gotta shred the gnar, bro. There's no POW out here, but we got this. This is close enough.
Don't eat the brown snow.
No.
Let's see this 3. Wow. You hit the tree.
Yeah, it was like an extra component to the ramp to slow the 360 down because we pulled too hard. It worked. It was a lot better than the first guy.
This one time I was at this contest in England. It's one of the craziest 3s I've ever done, and I've never tried one like this. And I like yanked backwards. No one knew where I was going. As soon as I took off, a cameraman stuck his arm out, but I carved off the box jump towards him and immediately take off, get hit in the head with his camera. Saw stars. I had no idea where I was at, and all of a sudden I was riding away like I didn't even know what just happened.
Just a little bit.
Good job, brother.
Son, I love thrills like a middle school crush. If I can't die, there ain't no adrenaline rush. Watch me fly by through the sky on my dirt bike, repping 199, cause I'm coming in